An icy traveler from another star system is flying past our cosmic backyard right now. Its name? 3I/Atlas, the third interstellar object humanity has ever seen. NASA's Hubble first caught it this summer. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope and NASA's brand new SPHEREX observatory just took their turns observing it, and the results could change how we understand the building blocks of worlds beyond our sun. Today, we're diving into what JWST found, why SPHEREX is so important, and what these alien visitors tell us about the universe. Let's start with the basics. 3I/Atlas is a comet, but not one of ours. It came from another solar system, making it what scientists call an interstellar object. Only two others have ever been confirmed: Oumuamua in 2017, and 2I/Borisov in 2019. Atlas was first spotted by a telescope in Chile, part of NASA's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS for short. At first it looked like a small asteroid, but later follow-up revealed the classic hallmarks of a comet: a fuzzy coma of gas and dust and a faint tail. How big is it? Estimates suggest its icy nucleus is between 1,000 feet and 3.5 miles across. For context, that's anywhere from the size of the Empire State Building to Mount Everest. And it's moving fast, about 130,000 miles per hour relative to the Sun. On October 30th it will make its closest approach about 130 million miles from Earth, well outside any danger zone. So why all the excitement? Comets are like frozen time capsules. They preserve ices, dust, and organic molecules from the birth of a solar system. By comparing comets from our system with ones from other systems, scientists can test whether the ingredients for planets and maybe even life are universal, or if they vary dramatically. Think of it this way: 3I/Atlas is carrying a sample kit from an alien star nursery billions of years old. We'll never visit its home system, but by studying it now as it swings through ours, we can peek at its chemistry and physics. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. On August 6th, Webb pointed its infrared instruments at Atlas. Why infrared? Because many cometary gases and ices reveal their chemical fingerprints in infrared light. Hubble gave us size estimates, but JWST digs deeper, detecting what the comet is made of. Scientists are especially interested in molecules like water, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and organic compounds, the raw ingredients that shaped our solar system's planets. Webb's data helps determine if Atlas is similar to comets we know, or if it carries unusual chemistry, hinting that alien planetary systems might form with different recipes. Results are still being analyzed, but early spectra show Atlas behaves like a true comet, with active outgassing as it warms near the sun. That alone rules out the wilder theories, like the idea it might be an alien spacecraft. Then came SPHEREX, NASA's newest observatory, launched just this year. Unlike Webb, which zooms in, SPHEREX surveys the entire sky in infrared. From August 7th to 15th, SPHEREX tracked Atlas to capture broader spectral data and brightness changes. Its role is context, spotting variations over time, mapping dust around the comet, and comparing it with other icy bodies. Over the next 25 months, SPHEREX will build a 3D map of over 450 million galaxies and thousands of comets and asteroids. For Atlas, it adds a wide-angle view that complements Webb's zoomed-in chemistry. You may have seen headlines calling 3I/Atlas an alien craft. This echoes the debate around Oumuamua when some suggested it was an extraterrestrial probe, but the evidence points solidly to a natural comet. It has a coma, a tail, and it outgasses as expected. The science community remains open-minded, but extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. So far, Atlas is a comet, not a spaceship. Together, Hubble, Webb, and SPHEREX are giving us the most complete portrait of an interstellar comet in history. Each telescope brings a piece. Hubble pinpoints size, Webb reveals chemistry, and SPHEREX adds big-picture context. And this is just the start. Every interstellar visitor is a messenger from a different star system. By studying them, we're building a cosmic library of how worlds form across the galaxy. 3I/Atlas won't be back. It'll continue out into the stars. But the data it leaves behind will help us answer some of humanity's biggest questions. Are we unique, or are the seeds of life scattered everywhere? Subscribe for more space deep dives. Next up, how SPHEREX is mapping 450 million galaxies.